Hi everyone, welcome to my vlog. So my name is Noel Fernandez. So for today's video, I'll be showing you a day in my life as a senior high school student at John Martin Johnson National High School. So usually, my day is a mix of school, arts, and activities. And of course, hindi mawawala ang stress sa mga subjects, assignments, and activities tulad ng vlog na ito. But overall, it's fun and memorable. So, if you're curious about what my normal school day looks like, just keep watching and come with me throughout the day. Let's go!
24 hours later.
Hello guys, so my day usually starts at early in the morning. So I wake up at 4:50 a.m. Yeah, it's hard to wake up, especially when you're sleepy. But since I have classes, kailangan talaga bumangon. So let's go guys. Okay, let's check our outside. Look. Time check, it's 5:02 a.m.
Hey guys, tara mga tita. So time check is 5:45 p.m. a.m. Sorry. But anyways, so after I started fixing my bed, so nakaluto na ko, then after sa pagluto, nangapi na sad ko para magumanog kape luto na sad. So after sa kape ani ron, kay ligo na ko. Okay, bye. Tanaw na nato ang atong gawas, kay patanaw na to sa inyo ang view, sunrise. So as you can see, there's no sunrise, so it's kind of paasa for me, paasa. Hello ate, nanilig din si ate. Tara oy, balik tagbalay. Wala man din sunrise pa. So ngayon, umiinom na lang tayo ng kape kasi yung sunrise hindi pa lumabas. So guys, umanatag kape. So, naligo na ta. Let's go, sasapa di ta maligo ron kay trip lang. Guys, padung na sa sapa. Tara na dito guys, sapa. So guys, kani nga sapa kay since tung bata pa ko, kay dire na may galigo kauban mga barkada sapa. Tugnaw kayo. Let's go home na.
Few minutes later.
Hay. Let's go. So tapos na tayo magbihis, so kailangan na natin mag-commute. Tara, let's go. So ngayon, papogi-pogi muna bago mag-commute. Kaya di ako iro, guys. So far, wala pa yung mga motor ron. Gagi sayo pag kita. At least nindot kay sunset, no? Ay, sunrise day, sorry. So ngayon, nandito na tayo ila nanay. Yan yung bahay ni nanay, guys. Nanay ko pala. Hello, Nay! Welcome to my vlog.
Stuck in a stalemate, and was no hope. Rock in a hard place, it's battering control. What am I waiting for? Feet planted beneath my compass, my transport.
Hi guys, we are at our school. So, hi. Time check, it's 7:32. 7:32.
One hour later.
So, tapos na pala yung event kanina. So, papasok na tayo ngayon sa classroom.
Few minutes later.
Karon guys, earthquake drill di ay. Earthquake drill, earthquake drill, earthquake drill, earthquake drill. Hit quick drill. Call in cover for publicity. Uy, nasend na ako sa inyo sa IC. Kay Jerica. Nasend na ako sa inyo mga QR code. Earthquake drill de, earthquake drill. So, dara atong kauban nag-ground sa concept paper kay last hour naghihimo. Hindi na record the rest kay busy. So, time check, it's 12:22. So, let's eat.
Few minutes later.
Okay guys, sumana day tagkaon. So, iposo na nato.
1 hour later.
So, I'm with my bro. Hello, what's up bro? Yeah, Pogi. So, kami na day sunod na guys. Trust God. So, our what defense is hello guys, concept paper. Oh, grabe, kakawala energy. Hello guys, research. Hello guys, concept paper. So guys, time check is 2:48. So hapit na matig-uli. So hello guys, this is my bro. I'm here sa campus. So we're going to our classroom now. Concept papers defended. Where's my member? Napili mo sa vlog guys. Gikat man ako. Congrats guys! Congrats!
1 hour later.
So, ngayon, pauwi na tayo kasi after sa concept paper kayo na pinauwi na kami. So, come with me. Ha. Hello guys, so we're going home now. So, Umuwi kami ng... Naglalakad kami pa uwi. Yes. So time check, it's 4:10 p.m. It's kinda late, so maabot mi sa among barangay ron kay mga 5:30. Okay guys, so gipasakay dito gayud na tungod ani. Ana, igo na una ipasakay rin ko. So naabot na ta sa tong barangay. So guys, papakita ko sa inyo yung barangay namin, yung mga magandang tanawin. Nakita niyo na ba? Ang ganda, di ba? So you can visit here anytime, anywhere. So just contact me, Noli Fernandez on FB. Finally guys, we're at home na. Dating na tayo. Hello, Auntie Beth. It's my aunt, guys. Look. Here. That's my home. That's my home. I mean, bahay nakin. Bahay nakin. Ako lang isa nagtitira dito. Titira, hindi titira. Yes. So, ay, na. Dilim. Ay, sus. Dito yung klaro dito. So, guys. And that's for today's vlog, guys. So that's basically a day in my life as a senior high school student at John Martin Johnson National High School. So it may be stressful sometimes, but it's still fun and full of experiences. Thank you so much for watching. So if you enjoyed this vlog, don't forget to like, share, and comment. See you in my next vlog.